Just burp in my face. Like, fucking really? And then you walk away. What?